Hey YouTube family! In today's video we're going to talk about how I got this really nice, super defined twist out, 2-strand twist using Hydratherma Naturals products. I received the Hydratherma Naturals products a few weeks ago and I've been using them for a while now. If you follow my Snapchat, you guys see that I've been using them for a while. And I followed the site to do a review on the products. Now these products were sent to me by the owner of Hydratherma Naturals, so thank you very much, I really appreciate it. So first let's go into what I was sent. I was sent the shampoo. And this is the Hydratherma Naturals Moisture Boosting Shampoo. It contains extracts of seaweed, algae, sea kelp with a hint of essential oils. I was also sent the foam curler. It is the Hydratherma Naturals Foaming Sea Silk Curly Styler. Holds curly styles, great for braid outs, twist outs, wraps, curly locks, roller sets, and any other curly style. So this is just basically so when you're doing any kind of curly style like I did today, it holds the curls longer. Next, I was also sent the hair growth oil with ceramidase and emu oil. It contains a unique blend of nourishing natural oils, penetrates each strand, and seals in moisture. And last but not least, I was also sent the follicle mist, which is this here. So the follicle mist contains multiple extracts and amino acids. It encourages length retention, prevents breakage, and shedding. Let's get into my thoughts on the products. So far I have used the shampoo twice, and so far I have really enjoyed the shampoo. I think I will be doing a separate video on its own for the shampoo alone because I want to continue to use it more to give you guys a really good review on it. So the shampoo review, stay tuned, that will be coming later on. But my initial thought is I really like you guys. So far so good. But stay tuned for that full in-depth review of the shampoo later on down the line. Follicle mist. How I use this after I wash my hair, and while I let it dry a little bit, but before it's completely dry, I spritz my scalp with this and I give myself a nice little massage, as you guys can see. And then this can also be used on dry hair, so every other day or maybe once or twice a week I'll also spritz this on my hair and on my scalp, and I'll give myself the same massage. The follicle mist is great at really getting straight to your scalp and penetrating your scalp with really nice healthy vitamins, healthy nutrition, essential vitamins that will just nourish and keep your scalp healthy. A healthy scalp is the basis for healthy locks. If you didn't know that, then wham to you. That's the first thing that you should know. Healthy scalp equals healthy hair, and that's the aim of the entire game, is to have healthy hair. So this really penetrates down to the scalp. It really gets in there in your follicle like it says, and make sure that you have a healthy base, a healthy foundation, which is a healthy scalp. So this product here, as you can see, I've used a lot. I've used it. I've done many curly styles. Recently I did a curly style where I used my soft spike curlers, and I got a nice big bouncy beachy wave with that. And this time I used it to do this twist out right here. This product I really enjoy. As you can see, my twist out is really defined, and even when I curl my hair with in any other method, this makes the twist out last longer. The main ingredient in this product is water, so it is a water-based product. It is the first ingredient, which means that it won't leave buildup on your locks. The curly styler is bae. This is used to just make those curls last, make those curls pop, make them last longer than usual. With this, I can go at least, this curls will last until I wash my hair out. I wash my hair usually every 2 weeks. I have a strict schedule with that, so this will definitely last in 2 weeks, but I know it will last me well over the 2 weeks because the last curly style I had in my hair, it lasts me the 2 weeks. And even when I was washing it out, I didn't have to because I still had really good curls. I only washed it because my hair was dirty and I like to wash my hair every 2 weeks. But it could have lasted me past the 2 weeks, but I just choose to wash my hair every 2 weeks. So this, if you want your curls to last, if you want your curls to pop, is a must have. It really adds that definition, that longevity to your curls. The next product that have really been enjoying is the hair growth oil. And this product right here, I use it for like days like today when I took out the twists out. It just adds and makes your hair really nice and soft and adds a nice sheen to your hair. And it also keeps the frizz at bay, because sometimes you know when you take out your hair and it dries and it's very dry with no kind of oil to seal in the moisture, it has strayaways and it just makes it look a little bit frizzy. This helps to contain and control the frizz so your hair looks very nourished, very quenched. Great for adding that nice sheen that takes away all that dull looking dried up hair. It makes it look nice and sheen, nice and glossy. Adds that nice moisture, adds that very alive look to your locks. Doesn't make them look dead. It makes it look very alive, very sheen. It just glistens like a highlight in the sun. And it also softens your locks at the same time, so your hair is really nice and healthy and soft. And it also holds on to moisture. So what you can do is usually you can put like some kind of liquid like rose water on your locks, like spritz it first and then follow up with this oil to just seal in that moisture so that it doesn't deplete from your hair throughout the day. So this is great at sealing and holds it in moisture. It doesn't leave your hair heavy and weighed down, which is good, but it just makes your roots look a nice sheen to it, and it just makes your locks just shine. It makes it pop much better. Not dry and dead and dull. That's not really that cute. Guess what, you guys? Even more wonderful, great, terrific news. I am doing a giveaway with Hydratherma Naturals. We'll be giving away 2 products, a bottle of the Foam & Sea Still Curly Styler, so you can get your curls popping, you can get your curls lasting, you can have curls for days just like us. So we'll be giving away this, as well as the hair growth oil. And these are both full-size products, so you're really getting to try the products. Both bottles will go to one lucky winner. They will win both this and this, so they can have luscious, luxurious, curly, just nice and shiny and sheen and just beautiful locks with long-lasting curls. So all the information, everything for the giveaway will be in the description bar, so don't forget to check that out and read it so you can enter the giveaway and you guys can win this. You know I try to hook you guys up, either it's with the coupon codes or with products. If I'm loving something, if I'm loving a product, I try to make sure that you guys try to reap the benefits and also try to enjoy that product as well. So I take care of my supporters. That's why I say thank you. Thank you guys for all you guys do for me. But anyway, that is it. But like I said, I'm loving these products. I love every single one of them. So I'm not just saying that because I was sent it. I've sent them for a while now and I have been using them. I don't just do reviews because it was sent to me. No, I use them. I use them not once, not twice, but a few times to see how I like it, how my curls last, how my hair feels. And it's feeling good. It is really, I'm not even, if you guys can feel my hair right now, it is feeling really, really, really good. So shout out to Hydratherma Naturals. Support her business. I'll leave all the link for the company right below in the description bar as well. Don't forget to enter this giveaway, and don't forget to continue to support me on my journey on all of my other social media sites. Everything is at KayaJourney. I will leave all those links below as well. Everything will be in the description bar. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys have a great day and check out the products here. Yeah, check it out. All right, bye. And turn it.